You're not tired because you didn't train hard enough. You're tired because you're destroying your gains every single night. Let me say it clean. If you're waking up sore, flat, unmotivated, and weaker than last week, the problem is not your workout. It's what you're doing after midnight. Right now, somewhere, a guy is training less than you, eating about the same, but growing faster, getting leaner, and recovering easier. And it's not genetics. It's not supplements. It's sleep. While you're scrolling, he's building muscle unconscious. That's the part nobody wants to hear. Because grinding in the gym feels productive. Sleeping feels lazy. But muscle doesn't care about effort. It cares about recovery. And if your sleep is trash, your body is in survival mode, not growth mode. Most people think the gym is where muscle is built. Wrong. The gym is the crime scene. Training is just the trigger. It breaks you down, tears fibers, and creates damage. Sleep is the only time your body fixes the damage and comes back stronger. If your sleep is bad, nothing else matters. Not your program, not your diet, not your motivation. You are leaking gains every single night and calling it discipline. When you hit deep sleep, your body flips into night shift mode. Testosterone climbs. Growth hormone surges. Recovery turns on. That's when muscle is actually built. But the moment you grab your phone at 2 a.m., you shut the system down. Repair crew fired. Progress canceled. 1 week of poor sleep can drop testosterone by up to 15%. That's not feeling tired. That's aging yourself 10 years and 7 days. You walk into the gym weaker, slower, unfocused. Your form breaks down. Your injury risk skyrockets. You're training with the handbrake on and blaming the car. Then comes the sabotage. Poor sleep cranks cortisol, the stress hormone, muscle breakdown in liquid form. At the same time, your hunger hormones get wrecked. That's why you crave junk. That's why the belly fat won't move even when the diet looks perfect. That's biology, not lack of willpower. Sleep isn't optional. It's not a luxury. It's not a bonus. It's the third pillar of Omega Body. Here's the protocol. No fluff. 7 hours is the floor, not the goal. Control the light. If your room isn't pitch black, recovery is compromised. Kill the blue light. Drop screens at least 30 minutes before bed. That late-night scroll isn't relaxing. It's a chemical attack on your brain. Keep the room cool. Your body needs to drop temperature to reach deep sleep. And caffeine? Be honest. Late pre-workout means late nights. Fix the basics. Stop blaming genetics. Stop blaming your program. The real problem was never your training. It was your pillow. The elite don't just out-train you. They out-recover you. And if you're watching this late at night, this is your signal. Shut it down. Put the phone in the other room. Build muscle while you're unconscious and go to sleep.